Welcome to LK IT Learner YouTube channel. Welcome back again for another LK IT Learner Java programming tutorial session. We are going to discuss how to create variables in the Java program. When you are initializing a variable, you have to write the statement as follows. int data type, variable name, equals to a value. When you call this variable in the program, the table provides the variable's value. The variable knows how much peak value. When you do not assign a value to a variable, that statement is called the variable declaration. When you call the declared variable, it doesn't know its value. Then the program is not compiled and generates an error report. To avoid this error, a value can be assigned to the declared variable. You have to make sure, to call a variable, you should always assign a value in advance.